Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and over here guys, after opening your WhatsApp, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon, and on this drop down menu tap on settings, and on this interface guys you can see there is the privacy option available for us. Just above the avatar tap on privacy, and over here scroll down until you can find the calls option available for us. Over here below the live location, over here guys, tap on calls, and over here you can see there is the silence unknown callers option available for us, where it also says calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still be shown in calls tab in your notifications. Turn that on by tapping on the toggle icon at the right side. And that being done guys, this is how to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.